you because you are young. They fear you because you are the future.
It all simple. I say what I like. Steve Biko wrote what he like. I am Screw Como. I will say whatever I like.
Maybe I'm to be brave to come all the way from Joburg. Yeah, people were threatening me in a way that I was scared even to come to KZN today, but I managed to say, no, this is what I do, this is what I love, this is how I celebrate the legends who have passed on. So I was brave enough to come here today.
And what does King Goodwill Zwelithini mean to you?
As a king, also I'm from Zimbabwe. We learned about King Goodwill Zwelithini when we were still at school. So for me, the history is still on with the king. So it is very significant to me also as an African.
Okay,